nangyari dito. Ang saya-saya.
Yes, ang daming tao. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Everybody, please settle down. Tapos sa inyong seats. Para makapagsimula po tayo.
Grabe si Yani. Paano ka pala kanya ng energy niya hanggang ngayon?
Thank you so much. Kay Sir AJ, thank you for being insight naman.
Nakita ko naman, Diyos ko, 20 years ago, sa energy ko ngayon. Limited naman.
Grabe!
Kaya sila mo doon sa mga home show ng Jane.
Yes! Experience! Thank you so much po.
No, wala ko sa
Before, hindi po, they get the host ng mga projects natin. Hindi ka entertainment.
Enjoy ko dun sa red carpet kanina yan.
Yes, grabe, enjoy. Daming fans and support sa daming fans na nakikita namin sa mall show tour. Kaya all out support talaga for JM. Yeah.
Grabe yan, I have encountered maraming fan dito. Thank you for coming. Ricky. Ayan. Darla Soler, thank you Darla. Our partners of the Acquisition Innovation Spot and Miss Cecil Sinaba, thank you for coming.
Once again, a reminder, please refrain from taking photos and videos of yourself.
stealthy mo ah. You're so stealthy.
Enjoy doing the moment.
Parang hidden ka, hindi kita nakisa sa buhok.
And we invite everyone to share their thoughts as you
Yung fans of Jacob Grab, maraming salamat po sa support. Hindi ito mangyari dito. Thank you so much. Actually, thank you. Ano yung program ko si Jeswil, and for the team of Red Moser.
Pogi mo daw sa crush ko ni Sasu.
I think we are ready for the prayer, no? Ready na ba?
Everyone, once again, please settle down in your seats as we'll start the prayer again. Please settle down now in your seats and we will start the prayer.
And thank you for the live report from TV sa show.
Yes, yes.
Basta, malala. Ganda niya, no? Love it. Sinasabi.
At nakakonsentrate tayo sa loob.
Ayan. Because na nito ang TVQ, pwede mo din makikita. And lastly, our media friend, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much.
Please settle down.
Good evening, everyone. Una sa lahat, congratulations.
The perfect Kenzo! That's the news!
Maraming salamat at congratulations sa lahat ng bumuo ng Umusas.
At eto na po, please welcome, Jeff Yang!
Ayan, excited na ba ang lahat? And guys, thank you sa paglalaan ng oras. And syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan. After ng film, ipalaganap po natin ang magandang balita, di ba?
Diyan ang pamilya mo, JM!
Ayun, nahiya na ako, wala.
And of course, I know, si Daddy Joshua.
Welcome sa nanay at tatay ko dyan. Kung nasan man kayo lupalop na upuan. Sana pagka napanood nyo, close your eyes. Especially sa tatay ko, please close your eyes. Thank you for understanding. Sana po magustuhan nyo.
And of course, go ahead,
Direct
introduce.
Dan Villegas.
Salamat po sa magpunta at show ko tomorrow. Shoutout na sa staff ko.
Correct! Andyan sila
Next time
direct.
mamaya. Salamat po.
Alright guys, palakpan natin! Almost us, cast and our regal executives, Direct Dan as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us here and we can't wait to see the film.
Okay, we'd like to request now the cast, the producers, to please occupy your seats upstairs na as we yung lagay na yun. Charot. Ayan, sorry, Mr. Sel. We have to... Ayan. From left to right, JP Abeliana, Rosel Monteverde, Keith Monteverde, Lota Monteverde. Charot naman, di ba? Bustamante, Baus Rufo, Dan Villegas, JM Piang, the perfect cancer, just doesn't you, and of course Sam, Samarita, and the very promising Yuki Takahashi.
Thank you.
We're missing JM. Delikado ngayon.
Executive Vice President of Regal Entertainment, Sir Keith Monteverde!
Ayun na po! Ang ating poging boss sa Legal Entertainment, James Pinassi, sorry.
Yes, we're calling on the CEO of Regal Entertainment, Ma'am Rosel Monteverde!
There she is. Besides her key, please.
Alright guys, palakpakan natin ang executives ng Regal Entertainment.
Thank you for joining us tonight, and I hope you like the movie and spread the word around. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for joining us this evening. I have no doubt that you will like the movie, so please like, share, comment, spread the good word para malakas ang opening din natin bukas. Thank you.
Bukas po yan, May 6 in cinemas nationwide. Now it is time to call the cast of Almost Us. Please welcome Loton Bustamante, Baus Rufo, Sam Samarita, Yuki Takahashi, Dustin Yu, JM Imara, and Fian Smith. Mag-inay tayo guys!
Ayan, Loton Bustamante, Baus Rufo, oh my God! Si Baus yung host na lagi nagpapahintay sa mga fans.
And guys, let's make some noise for Direk Dan Villegas as
Oh my
well.
God, ang pogi naman. Look at him. Starting off with Miss Loton Bustamante. Monteverde ka tuloy.
Ay, okay lang kung maging Monteverde. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nawa po magustuhan niyo ang aming pinagpaguran.
Good evening, SM Mega Mall. Handa na ba kayong kiligin tonight? Counting hintay na lang, and I'm pretty sure mapupuyat kayo tonight dahil ito lang ang iisipin nyo buong gabi. So enjoy the film, everyone.
Good evening, everyone. We're so excited for you guys to see the film. Thank you for coming out on a Tuesday night. Yay!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Yuki Takahashi. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa palabas na to at grabe, sobrang galing ng JM Tiang. At sana, kiligin kayo!